Hi everyone, welcome to DevLog video of developing browser online game, and I want to show you some updates which I made. First of all, I created several new features. One of them is adventure. Adventure is a special task for user. You can press adventure button and you will get adventure map. Your goal is to raid all islands and grab all resources which it has. So we have several islands here, and some islands just have some resources. Some of them has like some fleet, some warships. And you need to raid all islands, collect all resources, and after that you will go to next level adventure. And with each level of adventure you will get more and more resources from each island, and warships in each island will be bigger and bigger. It will be harder and harder for user to conquer each adventure map. So it will be like a goal. It will be like a competition for player to go as far as he can. After that, I did small changes here in this panel. I separated my fleet types in several panels. In several tabs, like active fleet, trading fleet, and expedition fleet. So it will be a bit easier for player to find necessary fleet. Second main feature is a new resources. Previously in version 0.1 we had only two types of resources. It was gold and population. And right now we have eight types of resources, like gold, population, logs, planks, lumber, ore, iron, and steel. And right now, if you wanna build some building, for example mine, you need to spend just these two resources, but this mine will provide you free resources like gold, logs, and ore. And for example, if you wanna build ladder or caravel, you need to spend some logs for it. Not only gold and population, but logs too. And this resource, gold, population, logs, and ore, it can be produced by your buildings like mine. But other resources like log, plank, lumber, or steel and iron, it can be only found in expedition, or it can be found when you raid some adventure map, some adventure island, like here, for example, or I don't know, like here, if you conquer this rich city, you will get some iron and some planks. And with next level of adventure, you will get more and more resources, and you can get all types of resources. So, and because you can't produce, for example, lumber or iron, you can do it in other way. We have new page, refining resources page, where you can create, for example, lumber from logs. You can create order, for example, I want to create five lumber, I press order. I will need to wait a bit, like several seconds or something, and after that I will get 5 lumber. It will be a new way for player to get some resources. You need to refine one resource to another. You can see that I changed layout a bit. I changed this panel with resources, and I move my islands here, so it will be like a new header, with all my islands, with messages. Of course, because we have new resources, you can see that we can send our fleet with all our new types of resources. And for example, we can move from one island, for example, logs, to another island. And now each island in our archipelago has special multiplicator. And for example, our main island has multiplicator for gold and population. And it means that we will get 100% of gold and 100% of population, but we will get only 10% of logs and 10% of ore. For example, we have another city like this one, yeah, it has 100% productivity of ore. So it will be like a special unique feature for each island. Yeah, each island can produce special type of resources, and it will force player to transfer resources between islands. Even Pirate Island has special multiplicator for gold, yeah, and for example, it means that this island produces 100% gold and just 10% of other resources. Or it could be not 10. I did it just for test, so I will maybe change this multiplicator. I started to use React Query. I started to use it for dictionaries, and if you're interested, you can see my code on GitHub and check it out. What else I did? Of course, I created some special jobs for new features like refine resources or for adventure. I changed logic for calculating resources, yeah, because, for example, previously I had a job which was called every second, but right now it's called just once per minute, and I think that it's more than enough. So I created a lot of seeders for example, for buildings, because right now I have about 40 levels of main headquarters for mine and for houses. I created just, a simple algorithm for increasing resources which is needed for building new level of houses, for example. So I created some small presets for map. For example, if you click on the island, you can see some information of island, like name of this island, and you have some actions what you can do with this island. So you can transfer some resources or move fleet to this island. And when you press it, you will go to send fleet page, and this action will be selected as active. It will be a bit faster for player to manage some fleets. And of course, for example, if you go to adventure, yeah, you can attack each island, yeah, and so you will not be able to select anything except just check some coordinates, and you can choose which warships you want to send. And in the end, I wanted to show you that I'm trying to improve my design, yeah, and what I did. I changed icons for all my warships, yeah, and right now it's a bit, I don't know how to say it. It looks better than it was. We can compare old pictures and new one, and as you see, yeah, new one looks a bit better, more styled, I feel. So, and of course, yeah, I changed icons for my project. I did some components with set of icons which I use in my game. So I found some references in the internet, so it's free, and yeah, I just was inspired of that. These icons looks amazing. I want to do my icons in the same way, yeah, and I tried to do it with my icons for warships and resources, for example, and everything. So, and of course, yeah, I have a lot of ideas what to do next with my project, with my game. One of them is this page. It's called cards. It means that when I send some fleet to expedition or to adventure, I can find some cards for each type of warships. And when I collect necessary amount of cards, I can improve, like some parameters for my warship. It's like a permanent buff or something. Yeah, I can improve attack or capacity or hit points for my warships. It will be like an additional activity for player just to try to find some cards and improve your parameters for warships. And it will make your journey easy in this game, because with that cards you will get higher parameters, and you will be able to rate high level adventures. This feature will be done, I think, in next version of my game. It will be, I think, in 0.3 or something. And right now, I think that that's all for this version. This version 0.2. So if you are interested, you can find my code in GitHub. It will be in description of this video. Thank you for watching. Press the like button, leave a comment if you have something to say. And see you in the next video. Bye.